This morning we responded to the ongoing complaints of reckless public transport along Wetton Road. Specific focus was placed on enforcing transgressions around inconsiderate as well as reckless and negligent driving. Instead of normal enforcement in just one location, where the word spreads rapidly and the taxis force new detours around the vehicle checkpoints, traffic officers instead set multiple enforcement points across a wide area with unmarked mobiles chasing down offenders trying to escape the enforcement action. The blatant disregard for the law and reckless driving of taxis on our roads doesn't just frustrate commuters who are sitting patiently in the same congested queues, but the reckless driving further endangers passengers and other road users and erodes respect for the rules of the road. Multiple arrests ensued with over 20 public transport vehicles impounded. These strategic style operations will now continue across other areas across the city.
Please, man, I didn't think you can smell it and you can blow it. I didn't think you can, serious, man.
But you're smelling like alcohol.
Yes, that's it, man. I didn't think today, man. Please.
You're gonna test, you're gonna go to the road.
You can test me. I didn't think today.
You're gonna